If you're trying to decide between the Mechen M30 and the Hifi Walker H2, here's my honest take after spending time with both. The M30 really surprised me on sound. It's got this warm, punchy character that makes vocals feel closer and more engaging. Detail-wise, it actually edges out the H2 a bit, especially if you're using decent wired IEMs. But, and this is a big but, the experience isn't perfect. The Hifi Walker H2 is just way more usable day to day. You get Bluetooth, better storage support, and overall smoother navigation. Plus, if you're into tweaking, Rockbox support alone is a huge win. The M30 feels more like a pure listening brick. No distractions, no wireless, just music. But the UI is rough, metadata is messy, and there's no gapless playback, which you definitely notice with albums. So here's the bottom line. Get the M30 if you want simple, wired, and great sound under budget. But go for the H2 if you want features, flexibility, and a better overall experience.